Extreme Animals Spelling Practice. Directions. Get a whiteboard and marker or paper and pencil. Listen to the word and the sentence. Spell the word. Check your spelling. 1 point for each word. Add up your points at the end. There are 7 words. Ready? Spell it. Fact. Fact. We learned many facts about extreme animals. Fact. F-A-C-T. Fact. Spell it. Quiet. Quiet. There are some very quiet animals. Quiet. Q-U-I-E-T. Quiet. Spell it. Celebrity. Celebrity. Some of the animals we studied are like celebrities. Celebrity. C-E-L-E-B-R-I-T-Y. Celebrity. Spell it. Creature. Creature. Creature is another word for an animal. Creature. C-R-E-A-T-U-R-E. Creature. Spell it. Extreme. Extreme. We studied about many extreme animals. Extreme. E-X-T-R-E-M-E. Extreme. E-X-T-R-E-M-E. Extreme. Spell it. Mammal. Mammal. A mammal is one kind of animal. Mammal. M-A-M-M-A-L. Mammal. Spell it. Reptile. Reptile. A reptile is another kind of animal. Reptile. R-E-P-T-I-L-E. Reptile. That is the last word. Count up your points and see how many you got correct. There are 7 words total.